Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change applications notifications in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Where to find applications notification settings. We have to go to the settings first. Now we are looking for notifications menu, and here at the top we have app notifications. So we can choose what application we can send in our way notifications. Let's say we don't want Chrome, and let's say we don't want weather, and that's it. There is no need to save these settings. Simple tap, check, uncheck boxes, whichever we want, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.